So we're going to talk about infinitive notes. So here, these two words we're just going to define real quickly. So an infinitive is a verb that is unconjugated, and that goes throughout all languages. An infinitive is an unconjugated verb. So it's a verb that does not have tense and it doesn't have a subject. And then we're going to learn the word to conjugate. And conjugate, examples of infinitives. To run. This is infinitive. No one's doing the action and we don't know when it's taking place. Or correr in Spanish, to dance. Bailar. To conjugate means to change a verb so that someone is doing the action, and it also tells when the verb took place. Flip back for a sec. So basically, we're changing the verb, and we do this all the time in English. So what is special about Spanish infinitives? Spanish infinitives have 3 types, and those types are AR, ER, or IR. And how do you know what type of verb it is? You look at the last 2 letters. They are either AR, ER, or IR. So an AR verb ends in AR, an ER verb ends in ER, and an IR verb ends in IR. And if they don't end in those 2 letters, it is not an infinitive. And when you use infinitives, you use them after conjugated verbs. For example, I am going to run home. To run is your infinitive. And sometimes a verb is used as infinitive is used as a verb ending in ing. And this happens in Spanish more than English, where you would say, like, running is cool. You would use correr there, the infinitive, but we do it differently in English. So what we're going to do to practice that is you're going to get a worksheet like this, and this is posted in Google Classroom if you do not have one. And you're going to cut out the words at the bottom, and you're going to glue them in the infinitive column or the not the infinitive column. And once you've sorted them, you're going to color them. AR verbs are going to be purple. ER verbs are going to be green, and IR verbs are going to be red. So you look here. This ends in AR. That tells us it's an infinitive. This does not end in AR, ER, or IR, so it's not an infinitive. And then you're going to look. Anything that ends in AR is purple. So you color this purple, this one purple, and practicar purple. If it doesn't end in any of these, then it's going to be not an infinitive. If you have questions, please send an email and I will be happy to help, but hopefully this clears things up for you.